what's up, y'all? It's BBG on 26 back at it again with another video. Today, I'll be installing my new gauge like cluster backing along with new needles. It also came with LEDs as well. I think you gotta solder those in. I don't know nothing about soldering, so I'm gonna just put in the stuff that's plug and play because it came with these as well. It was like a $60 kit. I'm gonna try to link the kit down in the description below. But it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go through what I'm doing and stuff like that, and try my best to record for y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we are in the the truck right now, and I got the steering wheel down and all that. And I already took this the bezel off. Is really easy to take this off. All you got to do is literally just drop the steering wheel and then pull it off, and then it'll slide right off. It's these little holes right here. It's just holding the little clips in. Then you're gonna come in here, and it's 4 nuts. It's one here, it's one in that corner, one in that corner, and then it's one right there as well. Focus, come on, focus. Do your job, do your job. Anyways, it's not focusing, but I got 2 of them out already, and I'm about to slide this whole dash out. Not dash, but this whole gauge cluster out. And then once I do that, we're gonna work on the next step and all that. And yeah, this is pretty simple install. I saw it on YouTube. It took to do like 10 minutes to change the needles and this little back piece out. And I was like, bruh, that looks way cool, way cooler than the stock one. I did white, and then around the back I did black because I like the black up here in this area. And then it's got this like little blue strip right here, so that look pretty baller. Anyways, though, once I get this out and we go to the next step, I'm gonna show y'all that it's a little plug behind here too that you got to slide out when you get this thing out. It's pretty easy to take out and stuff like that. Also, as you can see, my pillars and stuff are out. Those are getting painted right now. And I also just finished painting my little Chevy airbag that I got off of Trailblazer. So yeah. Anyways, enough yapping. Let me get to the next point in the video, and I'll pick y'all back up. All right, y'all. So I had to take this cover off, and it's these little tabs around here that go kinda in these grooves up here, as you can see. And I just used a flathead and a clip removal tool to pull this little thing off. I'm surprised I didn't break not one clip because it was fighting me a little bit, but we got it. So now, as you can see, it's these little clips right here that you gotta pry over, but you have to take out your needles first. And I would let you know that all the videos I've seen had them turn as far this way as they could and as far as they could go. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I think all you gotta do to twist them out is twist up, and leave all the videos I was watching. Bro was pulling up, but I'm about to try this little clip removal tool. And then there we go. They come right out. And it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna just do that and go ahead and take the rest of these needles out, and then take the backing off next. And then once I take the backing off, I'm gonna put this one on, and then I'm gonna take the back off and change those little things that I need to change. The little, I think these are LEDs. I don't know what these are. I think these are LEDs though, but I'm gonna take these out and put them in. And yeah, it's pretty simple, bro. It's not really hard to do this install. That's why I wanted to do it myself. Somebody was gonna make me one of these, and I had got a quote for it. He wanted $460, and I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So I just bought this kit. Like I said, I was gonna put the link in the description. It was like $60 after taxes and shipping. It was actually $49 before. And yeah, do it myself, bro, so I can save me and all y'all money, because who the heck is paying $400 to do this? This is real simple, bro. It's a real simple install. And then he was like, it was like $80 just to send it in. I had to send it in. I was like, I'm not doing that, bro. But anyways, I'm gonna pick y'all up at the next point of me installing this right here. All right, y'all, so I got it installed and I'm about to put the new needles up here. It gave me the option and I chose the clear with the blue. Looks way cleaner, and it's actually gonna match something else that I got for the truck. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I took a picture of the way this looked before I took all the needles and stuff off, so I'm gonna follow that picture and put everything back. I also now have, this is for the trans, but I don't actually have like a temperature gauge, like a little plug for that, so we're not gonna run this. This one doesn't really mean anything, but I'm really excited about this, bro. Coming from this to this now, like, so way better, bro. This is trash. It served its purpose, but this is trash. But anyways, I'm gonna finish putting all this back together, and then we're gonna go back and put this in the truck, and then that's gonna be it. You just reverse the process to put these needles back in here. And yeah, it's really simple, bro. All right, y'all, so we just got the needles on, and I ain't gonna lie, this is way cleaner. I thought about putting the orange ones back in, but I was like, nah. The blue and the clear go crazy. So now, about to finish up, about to put this back on, clip it back on, and then I'm gonna put the back on, and then we're gonna go back out to the truck. And yeah, just a little update. All right, y'all, so we got it in here, and as you can see, bro, it looks way cleaner, bro. Like, this is probably one of my favorite mods I've ever done to any one of my 9906 trucks. You can't beat this. This is very clean,
very demure, very mindful.
I don't know why I didn't think of doing this before. Probably because I thought it was gonna be too hard, but this was a very simple install. I'm gonna obviously clean up the dust in this area a little bit more, but I'm very happy about this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Got some more stuff coming for the truck and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. Also, since you know we already done started this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all what we got going on for the lift and all that. And yeah, I'm gonna end out the video. So yeah, let me start talking. All right, so back here you can see I got some brand new 2-wheel drive hubs. As you know, this truck is a 4-wheel drive truck, and as you know, this is one of 2 4-wheel drive trucks I own. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't like 4-wheel drive. I don't use it, and yeah, we don't yank that out. So that's why I got the 2-wheel drive hubs. We don't yank the CV axles out and all that. I don't think I'm gonna take the transfer case and all that, because you gotta have more to do that. I just want to make it 2-wheel drive so I can throw what I got in my room on it. So let's make my way to our room, and then I'm gonna show you what else we got for this. All right, y'all, so we in my room. Don't mind the mess and all that. Shoes, you know, everywhere. But right here, we got my 4-inch 99 to 06 lift spindles. This is what we're gonna be putting on the truck. I'm about to get them powder coated and all that. This was a full kit, so it actually came with the rear coil spacers, 1-inch coil spacers, so I can lift it up an inch in the rear. Probably not gonna put those on. It actually came with like these little spindle spacers. I don't know if I'm gonna put these on either. I never ran these on my old truck with spindles. And yeah, it came with a bunch of stuff. The hardware, these will probably get used. These are for like the tie rods, the little sleeves that go in here. I ordered Heim joints, so they may be a little thin, so I might actually have to use these. But yeah, that's gonna be the setup. 4-inch spindles and 3-inch keys. And yes, I don't know how high I'll be sitting, but somewhere around where my old truck sat, or a little higher. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. BBG on 26 is out.